Example 5, write each function as an expression involving functions of theta. Okay, I know you've had homework questions like this. You'll get cosine 30 degrees plus theta, and they want the 30 column. They don't want the 30 degrees anymore. They just want a theta in the answer. Okay. So again, you want to notice the pattern. This is a cosine sum, and cosine sum formula says cosine of the first, cosine of the second, minus sine of the first, sine of the second. Your formula sheet, make sure that's right. Cosine, cosine, minus sine, sine. It's not that hard to memorize. I'm not going to force you to memorize it. It's not really that hard to memorize. Okay? So cosine 30, just straight from the chart, cosine 30 is square root of 3 over 2. So that's square root of 3 over 2 times cosine theta minus, and then sine 30, straight from the chart, is 1/2 sine theta. And that's it. That's all you can do. Okay, we're writing it as a function of theta. That's it. That's the answer. So then we look at part B, tangent 45 degrees minus theta. Again, find the formula. This is a tangent difference, a tangent of a minus. And so the tangent minus formula says tangent of the first one minus tangent of the second one all over 1 plus tangent of the first one times tangent of the second one. So it's just pattern recognition. You find the proper pattern and plug the things in where they go. Tangent 45, we should know how to do this. Tangent 45 is what? 1, right? Square root of 2 over 2 divided by itself is 1. So that's going to be a 1 and a 1 right there. Okay? So we are looking at 1 minus tangent theta over 1 plus 1 tangent theta, or just tangent theta. And that's all we can do right there. Give me those all day. Okay? I would love to do a worksheet full of those kind of problems because there's not a whole lot to it. Just find the pattern and do what it says. So sine 180 plus theta. Again, your pattern says it's a sine sum. Sine sum. And so eventually maybe you have this memorized, but that's sine 180. What is the sine sum? Sine cosine plus cosine sine. Straight from the formula sheet, straight from the formulas. That pattern for a sine sum is sine cosine plus cosine sine. And so we've got sine 180 and cosine 180 to evaluate. I find the students aren't nearly good enough at their quadrantal angles. And anytime you have a 180, anytime you have a quadrantal angle, I'm looking at the circle. I'm not really looking at the chart anymore. I'm looking at the circle. 180 degrees puts me over here at this point, -1, 0. And so you ought to be able, everybody in here ought to be able to tell me what sine 180 is. What's sine 180? 0, right? It's the y coordinate. And what's cosine 180? -1. Cosine 180 is -1. And so I'm looking at 0 cosine theta plus -1 sine theta. This is going to fall out. 0 times cosine theta is going to be 0. But it's 0 plus -1 sine theta, and that simplifies to just negative. So